To lead good life in healthcare is very much important nowadays because if you go to hospital they will ask more money for consultant. So we are developed a artificial intelligence based self diagnosis chatbot system using an AI. But it is very difficult to obtain the consult with the doctor in a case any health issue. The purpose of our idea is to create medical chatbot using artificial intelligence that can diagnose and disease and provide basic details about the disease before consulting the doctor to reduce the healthcare the main objective of our project is to reduce healthcare cost and improve accessibility to medical knowledge and to by using the medical chatbot system is built. Mm, if you refer medical books which helps the patient more know about the disease and helps to improve their health. Yeah, the project aim is to help the patients by the asking about the disease to prevention of about disease. So we can provide a basic information about the disease using the chatbot system. So the main aim of our project is to produce to produce certain disease prevention using our chatbot system. We will suggest to consult doctor, or suppose if disease is in high level or the more than if the disease is more if the disease is out of control, we can suggest to consult doctor like that. Our app is hence our the people will have an idea about health and right protection. Here we are using a machine learning algorithm in this chatbot. That's all about our project.
Good morning all. Our project is ML based healthcare chatbot system and management. In this we have created logins for doctors, patients and admins. The patient can sign up and log in our page. In the login she or he have to give all his details. After that sign up is completed, then they can chat with our medical chatbot. Based on the details chatbot replies, the user have to decide get an appointment with the doctor or not. Coming to the doctor login, the doctor cannot sign up him or herself. For the doctor login, candidates has been provided by the admin. The admin who is going to manage all the data and the details of the portal. The admin have all the complete rights. He can control all the portals. Doctors. The doctors can add patients or cancel or accept his appointment based on his schedule from the users. In this we have used NLP for understanding user queries. The NLP converts the user queries into machine language.
Hi everyone. In this our machine learning chatbot, we have used machine learning techniques NLP and NLTPK. After the user getting login, he can able to communicate with the chatbot. In this chatbot, the user can provide his queries. Basing on his queries, the chatbot can give replies. By providing queries, the chatbot collected all the details required for his problem solution. Whether the user is saying that he is suffering from fever, the chatbot asks the symptoms and conditions of the user. Basing on the details, the chatbot will provide a reply which medicines has to be used by the user, or else he need an appointment with the doctor. For all this data has been collected from ICMR. For processing these user queries, we have used decision tree and ID3 algorithms, which which are providing efficient way solutions. In existing system, the chatbot will only provide specific options. In that specific options, the user has to select the options, and basing on that, the chatbot will provide replies. But in our proposed system, there is no certain restrictions. The user can provide his query. After that, by using NLP, the query has been processed and sent to the dataset. In that dataset, by using algorithms decision tree and ID3, the reply has been identified and sent to the user. Basing on that, the user get details. For this our project, we have used HTML and CSS as a front end, and backend in Python, MySQL, JavaScript has been used. In Python, we have used NLTP and NLP for integrating using machine learning algorithms. Okay, thank you.